Why you need a one-year success plan. Imagine waking up a year from now, reflecting on the past 12 months, and realizing that everything has changed. You are stronger, wiser, and more successful, finally living the life you once only dreamed of. What if I told you this transformation isn't just possible, but entirely within your control? The difference between those who achieve success and those who remain stuck isn't luck or talent, it's having a clear, structured plan. A roadmap that turns aspirations into reality. Most people go through life hoping things will improve, but hope is not a strategy. If you want real change, you need a one-year success plan, a step-by-step system to take control of your future, build unstoppable momentum, and create a life of purpose and achievement. Stay with me, because over the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to design the next 12 months for massive success. The power of long-term planning. Most people spend more time planning a vacation than they do planning their lives. They'll spend hours choosing a restaurant for dinner, but won't take even 10 minutes to map out their future. Success isn't something you chase, it's something you attract by becoming the right kind of person. Think about that for a moment. Today, we're going to focus on how to become that person over the next 12 months. We're going to create a one-year plan that will reshape every aspect of your life. Write this down. Life change begins with a plan. Now, why do most people fail to reach their goals? It's not because they don't want success badly enough, and it's not because they lack intelligence. The real reason: they don't have a system. They have dreams, they have hopes, but they don't have a roadmap. Here's why a one-year plan is so powerful. It's long enough to accomplish something meaningful, yet short enough to keep your motivation high. 12 months, 52 weeks, 365 days, that's your opportunity. That's your blank canvas. That's your chance to create something extraordinary. Now, let's break it down into 7 key areas your one-year success plan must cover. The 7 key areas of a one-year success plan to create lasting success. Your one-year plan must focus on 7 critical areas. Let's start with the first 2. 1. Personal development. Here's an important truth. Everything in your life changes when you change. If you stay the same, so will your income, relationships, and health. Your level of personal growth determines the quality of your life. I remember when I first committed to self-improvement. At the time, I was barely making ends meet, earning just $57 a week. But when I started investing in myself, reading books, attending seminars, and learning from successful people, everything changed. To develop your one-year plan for personal growth, follow these steps. Read at least 1 book per month. That's 12 books a year. The average person reads less than 1 book annually, and they wonder why they're not progressing. Invest in courses and seminars. Yes, education costs money, but ignorance costs even more. Staying stagnant is far more expensive in the long run. Find a mentor. Success leaves clues. Learn from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. A good mentor will accelerate your growth faster than trial and error ever could. 2. Financial growth. Your one-year plan must include clear financial targets. But remember, financial success isn't just about money, it's about who you become in the process. Here are 3 key financial strategies. Develop multiple streams of income. Relying on just one income source is risky. Identify at least 2 new potential income streams you can develop in the next year. Establish a saving strategy. A mentor once told me, if you don't have a surplus, you don't have a future. Start by setting aside 10% of your income, then gradually increase it each quarter. Create an investment plan. Your money should work harder than you do. Decide what investment strategies you'll implement and how much of your income you'll allocate to them. By focusing on personal growth and financial stability, you lay the foundation for long-term success. Building a strong foundation. Health and relationships. Now that we've covered personal development and financial growth, let's move on to 2 more critical areas of your one-year success plan: your health and relationships. 3. Health and vitality. Many people spend the first half of their lives sacrificing health for wealth, only to spend the second half trying to regain their health. But it doesn't have to be that way. Your one-year plan must prioritize your well-being. Because without health, success is meaningless. To ensure peak performance, focus on 3 essential areas. Nutrition. Be intentional about what you consume. What foods will you eat more of? What unhealthy habits will you eliminate? Write it down. Exercise. Your body is the only place you have to live. Plan your workout routine. What exercises will you do? How often will you train? Track your progress. Rest and recovery. Many people overlook this, but your body needs time to recharge. Schedule proper sleep, vacation days, and downtime to maintain peak productivity. 4. Relationships. Your relationships either elevate you or hold you back. There's no neutral ground. A mentor once told me, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Look around. Who are you becoming because of your environment? Your one-year plan should include 3 key relationship strategies. Strengthen key relationships. Spend more time with people who uplift and inspire you. Limit toxic influences. You don't always need to cut people off, but you should minimize the time and energy you give to relationships that drain you. Build new connections. Identify the people you need to meet, the groups you should join, and the circles you should enter to support your growth. When you prioritize health and meaningful relationships, you set yourself up for long-term success mentally, emotionally, and physically. Advancing your career and spiritual growth. Now that we've covered health and relationships, let's move on to two more critical areas: career development and spiritual growth. 5. Career development. Many people confuse their job with their career. But here's the truth: a job is what you do to make a living. A career is what you do to build a meaningful life. Your one-year plan must address both. Here are 3 key components of career growth: skills development. Identify new skills you need to acquire and existing ones you need to refine. Be specific: what will you learn? And how will you apply it? Industry knowledge. To stand out in your field, you must continuously grow. Plan how you'll expand your expertise. What books will you read? What conferences will you attend? And what certifications will you pursue? Networking. Your network determines your net worth. Outline a strategy to build professional connections. Who do you need to meet? What events will you attend? What relationships will you nurture? 6. Spiritual growth. This is a fundamental yet often overlooked area. Your spiritual growth influences everything else: your mindset, emotions, and even decision-making. Your one-year plan should include time for reflection, schedule moments for meditation, prayer, or quiet contemplation. Spiritual study, whether it's religious scriptures, philosophical writings, or motivational literature. Plan what you'll study to deepen your insight. Community engagement. Identify individuals or groups that align with your spiritual values and outline how you'll engage with them over the next 12 months. By committing to career growth and spiritual development, you ensure not only professional success but also inner fulfillment. Making an impact and executing your plan. Now that we've covered personal growth, finances, health, relationships, career, and spirituality, let's move to the final 2 essential components: contribution and execution. 7. Contribution. Giving back. Here's a truth about success: it feels empty if you're not giving back. Your one-year plan must include how you'll make a meaningful impact. Success isn't just about what you gain, it's about what you give. Follow these 3 steps to integrate contribution into your plan. Identify causes that matter to you. What issues do you care about? What positive changes do you want to see in the world? Choose your method of giving. Will you contribute your time, financial resources, or expertise? Be specific. Set measurable goals. How many lives do you want to impact? How much do you aim to donate or volunteer? Define the difference you want to make. Executing your one-year plan. A plan is useless without action. Most people fail not because they lack goals, but because they lack execution. To ensure success, follow this 5-step implementation system. Daily review. Spend 10 minutes each morning reviewing your plan. This keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind. Weekly planning. Every Sunday, plan your week. Ask yourself, what actions can I take this week to move closer to my goals? Write them down. Monthly evaluation. At the end of each month, assess your progress. Be honest: what's working, what's not, and what needs adjustment. Quarterly reviews. Every 3 months, conduct a deep analysis of all areas of your plan. Are you on track? Falling behind? Use this time to make strategic changes. Accountability system. Find someone who will hold you accountable. Share your goals, update them on your progress, and allow them to challenge you when needed. Final thought: who you become matters most. This journey isn't just about achieving goals, it's about who you become along the way. When you commit to personal growth, you gain wisdom. When you commit to financial success, you develop discipline. When you commit to health and well-being, you gain energy. When you commit to stronger relationships, you cultivate empathy. This one-year plan doesn't just change your circumstances, it transforms you. Success isn't something you chase, it's something you attract by becoming the right person. Now it's time to take action. Your future starts today. The seasons of success. Every challenge you encounter is an opportunity to showcase your dedication, strengthen your resilience, and push beyond your current limitations. Throughout your one-year plan, you'll experience 4 distinct seasons of success, each playing a vital role in your transformation. The planting phase. This is where you lay the groundwork, you develop new habits, refine your skills, and build meaningful relationships. It can feel discouraging because results aren't immediate, but this stage is crucial for long-term growth. The cultivating phase. Here you fine-tune your strategies, make necessary adjustments, and reinforce your commitment. This phase demands patience and persistence as the rewards of your efforts are still in progress. The growing phase. This is when momentum picks up. You start seeing tangible results, your confidence grows, and your hard work begins to pay off. However, this is also when complacency can creep in, making it essential to remain focused. The harvesting phase. Finally, you reap the rewards of your dedication. your goals begin to materialize and transformation takes shape. But remember, success isn't permanent, it must be maintained. Success is never owned, it is rented, and the rent is due every single day. What's intriguing about these seasons is that they don't always occur in a fixed order. You might be in the planting phase in your career while simultaneously experiencing the harvesting phase in your health. You may be growing in relationships but still cultivating in your finances. The key is recognizing where you are in each area of life and taking appropriate action. Don't expect to harvest before you've planted. Don't neglect cultivation when growth is underway. Eliminating distractions, staying focused to achieve success with your one-year plan. You must stay focused and eliminate distractions. Many people fail not because they lack talent or ambition, but because they allow distractions to pull them off course. Every goal requires unwavering commitment. Success doesn't happen overnight, it's built through deliberate actions and a clear sense of direction. Distractions come in many forms: social media, negative influences, procrastination, and even self-doubt. The key is to identify these distractions and create a strategy to minimize their impact. Imagine trying to fill a bucket with water while there's a hole at the bottom. No matter how much effort you put in, the water keeps leaking out. That's what distractions do to your progress. They drain your energy and momentum. The solution: patch the leaks, limit unnecessary activities, set clear priorities, and establish habits that keep you on track. Successful people don't just work harder, they work smarter. They design their environment for focus, set boundaries to protect their time, and stay disciplined in their actions. Here's the truth: every moment you spend distracted is a moment stolen from your potential. If you want to reach your goals, you must train your mind to focus, stay disciplined, and commit fully to the process. Understanding the 4 seasons of success. Success is not a single event, it's a cycle of growth, much like the changing seasons. Throughout your one-year plan, you will experience 4 distinct seasons, each playing a crucial role in your journey. Planting season: this is where your journey begins. You lay the foundation by forming new habits, developing skills, and building relationships. It requires effort, patience, and dedication because results are not immediate. Many give up here because they fail to see instant progress. But remember, every great achievement starts with a seed. Cultivating season: after planting, you refine your strategies, adjust your methods, and strengthen your dedication. This phase requires persistence and adaptability. You must stay patient, trust the process, and keep nurturing your efforts, even when growth seems slow. Growing season: here, momentum builds, results start to appear, confidence increases, and your hard work begins to pay off. However, this is also when complacency can set in. Many people ease up when they see progress, but true success requires continuous effort. Stay focused, keep improving, and avoid distractions. Harvesting season: this is when you reap the rewards of your efforts. Your goals are being realized, and transformation is taking place. But remember, success is never owned, it is rented, and the rent is due every single day. Even after reaching milestones, you must continue working to maintain and build upon your achievements. What's interesting about these seasons is that they don't always follow a strict order. You may be in the planting phase in your career while simultaneously in the harvesting phase in your health. You could be growing in relationships but still cultivating your finances. The key is to recognize which season you're in for each aspect of your life and act accordingly. Don't expect a harvest when you're still planting. Don't ignore cultivation when you're experiencing growth. Understanding these phases will help you navigate challenges, manage expectations, and stay committed to long-term success. Eliminating distractions: staying focused to make the most of your one-year plan. You must develop the ability to eliminate distractions and stay focused. Success doesn't just happen, it requires intentional effort and discipline. Many people set ambitious goals but get sidetracked by things that drain their time and energy. To stay on track, follow these 5 key principles. The law of design: success is never accidental. It is the result of deliberate planning. Your one-year plan is your blueprint. Stick to it. Adjust when needed, but never abandon it. Every action you take should align with your overall vision. The law of process: achieving success is a journey, not a single event. Your one-year plan is not just about reaching goals, but about becoming the kind of person who can achieve them. Growth takes time, so trust the process, embrace each step, and commit fully. The law of consistency: success is not built on occasional effort. It is the result of daily sustained action. Many people start strong but lose momentum. Your plan provides the structure needed to maintain consistency, so follow it, even when motivation fades. The law of the compound effect: significant results don't happen overnight, they accumulate over time. Small, consistent efforts lead to massive long-term success. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to your overall transformation. The law of legacy: true success isn't just about personal gain, it's about the impact you leave behind. Your one-year plan is not just shaping your future, it's creating a legacy of growth, achievement, and contribution. Your discipline and commitment will inspire others. These principles are not just ideas, they are laws of success. They work whether you believe in them or not, whether you understand them or not. and whether you like them or not. By following these 5 principles, you can eliminate distractions, stay focused, and maximize your potential throughout the next 12 months. Final thoughts: commit to your 1-year success plan. As we approach the conclusion of this journey, consider this: the next 12 months will pass whether you have a plan or not. Time will keep moving forward. Days will turn into weeks, weeks into months. And before you know it, a year will have gone by. The real question is, how will you use that time? Will you let it slip away, or will you invest in your growth? Will you drift through it, or will you take control and move forward with purpose? Will you simply spend time, or will you use it wisely to shape your future? Life responds to action. Life does not respond to need alone. It does not respond to want alone. Life responds to what you deserve, and you deserve what you design. Your 1-year plan is your design for success. It is your blueprint for transformation. It is your roadmap to becoming more than you are today. Take this plan seriously. Implement it with commitment. Review it regularly. Adjust when necessary, but most importantly, trust the process. If you stay consistent, apply these principles, and refuse to quit, you will transform your life. 1 year from now, you will either look back at today as the moment everything changed, or as just another day that passed by. Take action and transform your life. The choice is now yours. Will you let another year slip away filled with the same excuses, same struggles, and same missed opportunities? Or will you take control, commit to your plan, and create the success you deserve? Success is by design, not by chance. Success doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. Your 1-year success plan is that design. So don't just think about it. Start today. Write down your goals. Build a system that supports your growth. Stay consistent, even when it's difficult. Because whether you act or hesitate, the next 12 months will pass anyway. The question is, will you drift, or will you rise? The decision is in your hands.